In the heart of nature, where the rivers flow and the ecosystems thrive, there exists a creature of unparalleled beauty and prowess. The life of a kingfisher revolves around water. They meticulously construct their nests near rivers, lakes, and streams, ensuring easy access to their primary food source, fish. Once the eggs hatch, the parents tirelessly feed and protect their young, preparing them for a life of independence. It's a delicate balance between survival and nurturing in the wild. The time it takes for kingfisher chicks to fledge varies depending on the species and environmental factors. But generally, it can take about 20 to 24 days from hatching for kingfisher chicks to fledge. During this period, the chicks are cared for and fed by their parents until they are ready to leave the nest and begin flying on their own. After fledging, young kingfishers continue to rely on their parents for food while they learn to hunt on their own. They gradually develop the skills needed to dive and catch fish, honing their abilities through practice and observation. As they become proficient hunters, young kingfishers gradually become independent of their parents. They establish their own territories and may eventually breed and raise their own offspring, continuing the cycle of life for these remarkable birds. Unfortunately, kingfishers face numerous threats in the modern world. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant challenges to their survival, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. It's crucial that we take action to preserve the habitats of kingfishers and safeguard the ecosystems they depend on. Through conservation efforts and raising awareness, we can ensure a future where these magnificent birds continue to grace our riversides. In conclusion, kingfishers stand as iconic symbols of nature's beauty, grace, and resilience. These fascinating birds, with their vibrant plumage and extraordinary hunting abilities, captivate the imagination and inspire awe in all who encounter them. From the tranquil riversides to the dense forests and beyond, kingfishers inhabit a diverse range of habitats, showcasing their remarkable adaptability to various environments. Their presence is not only a testament to their evolutionary success but also a reminder of the intricate interconnectedness of ecosystems worldwide. Let us celebrate the majesty of the kingfisher and commit ourselves to preserving the rich tapestry of life they represent, ensuring that they remain a cherished part of our natural heritage for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking, helping us to grow our channel. Please leave any comments or suggestions below.